This is your chance to purchase the 2022 Street. Jude's home at a fantastic price. Located in the Nansemond Reserve at Sleepy Hole community in Suffolk. It has 4 bedrooms, downstairs office, 2.5 bathrooms, 2,820 square feet. Appraised at $560,000. So many upgrades, including a $30,000 value home automation control system, network/cable wiring, security/CCTV system, Sony TV with sound bar, and fantastic audio system. Huge open great room, kitchen, primary bedroom and downstairs office. Could be 5th bedroom, have speakers in the ceiling. Even the backyard and TREX deck area have outdoor speakers, all controlled by a touchpad. Open first floor layout with gourmet kitchen that includes shiplap designed over range hood, matching island. All new Bosch appliances including a built-in coffee, espresso or cappuccino system. Expansive Owners Bedroom Suite with luxurious owner's bath with freestanding soaking tub and large walk-in shower. Rinnai Tankless Water Heater. Too many extras to fit here.